This is my car.
Group work. Group work, guys. Group work. To make things happen, you need a band. Naba abantu bam. Naba abantu bam, guys. Yebo. Yebo.
No, the link up and let's see from France.
Hey.
So sai buona qua. Lulamos. Bem-vindo. Not very.
Oh, okay. Kini zaite vile kwamba umadrasi. It's okay.
back to the channel. Thank you so much for sticking out throughout this revamp. It was a journey, that's all I can say. It was a journey. So it took us how many days to complete that? So we started on Sunday, and I think it took us maximum 3 days, including the decor. So yeah, like it was just, we were chasing a deadline. Usually with our with the DIYs, I usually do I just do them within maybe a set period of time, but this one I had a deadline, so we had to complete it by the time I did. So for this segment, what I'm about to do now, I'll just take you through all the items in the room and where I bought what and where I bought what. So do stay tuned. If you still haven't subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button. If you already have, do not touch that button because it will unsubscribe you. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you. We'd appreciate if you'd also save this video, share it as well, so that a lot of people can see it and maybe get some inspiration from some of the projects we do on this channel. So basically, let's start with the room. It looked so nice. I honestly was not sure about the paint color when I started painting, because I wanted something light, but then as it dried up, it actually turned out exactly the way I wanted it to turn out. I spent a lot of days trying to actually just ponder upon the actual color that we want for that, and our faves on Instagram also helped us pick a color. And yes, so the idea for that room basically was to get a light color, because it's quite it's not a very big room, so we wanted a color that will help give the room some space, you know, the feeling of it being spacious. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. But basically the white was a good option for the rest of the room, and then a light, nice, cute feature wall color would have worked. That is what we went for. You'll notice that the bathroom had a nice pastel green. That's what I decided to continue with that room as well. So as I did mention in another vlog that I did, the aim of all of this is to, like, we don't really have a theme in the house. The theme in the house is nice pastel colors. I don't really like nude kind of colors yet, but I'm a more pastel colors. Please don't mind my couch, that is red, but I think you can see from this curtain that I'm a person who actually loves pastel colors. Don't mind my top as well because it's mustard, but you get the idea. I think you get the idea. But I'm a more so the idea for our place is to just have nice pastel colors, and also just to have each room have its own kind of theme going on, and just give the eye some exciting things to see. So that was the plan. If you haven't seen the bathroom revamp, please do catch up on it as well, and then you'll see what we worked on before this one. So I just want to take you through. So let's start with the paint color. Paint color is Shy Pink from Plascon. So the name of that paint color is Shy Pink from Plascon. So it's under the pastel colors section. And then the walls. So I have a notebook here. I actually prepared something. So the wall, the white paint was the wall and ceiling paint from Durham. You can get that basically from any hardware that sells those. And then curtains. The curtains, I got them from Mr. Price Home. That's a blockout curtain. I want to say I only get blockout curtains to prevent lightning from, basically not for it to come in, but for me from me seeing the lightning. That's basically the only reason I love blockout curtains. I know my husband loves blockout curtains because he doesn't like light, but the only reason I love blockout curtains is that even during the day, if it's thundering, I can just close the curtains and we will not be seeing the thunder. I know we'll hear it, but for me it's the anticipation of seeing that light and then anticipating what kind of sound we're going to get after that. I hope you get me. If you're also scared of thunder, please comment down below. And then we also have the lace. The lace I got from Vops. Vops is my number one. See, for linen curtains, Vops is my number one at the moment. And then bedding I also got from Vops. So that's a what's that? It's a comfort. So it's not a quilt, but it's a comfort. So I got that. You'll see there's prints on it. So I just wanted some character there. And then cushions and throw, we got it from Mr. Price Home. And then the side table, I got it from Sheet Street. On top of the side table, I have a lamp and I put a tray under it. The tray is from Gelma, and then the lamp is from Mr. Price Home. And then I also had organizers there where I created a nice makeup corner with all the lip balms and the makeup. I got those organizers, all of them. I got them from Gelma as well. And there was also a jewelry organizer as well there for your watches, for your rings, for your necklaces. So I'm just using it for my watches and rings at the moment. And then there's a mirror as well. I got that from Gelma, but I do know you can also get it at Builders Warehouse, a much bigger one. So with regards to the paintings there, I had initially mentioned on Instagram that I'm going to be using a particular painting there, but I decided otherwise after painting and choosing the color palette for the room, because I'm thinking I need something different there. So I'm taking my time with deciding for that. So in the meantime, I just put up that mirror there. It's right above the bed next to the side table a bit, but I am going to move it. And then I'm still looking for a nice beautiful canvas painting for that wall, something big, something to give character. We will add what's this, a headboard as time goes. But yeah, so basically that's where we got everything. Just a side note, how we're tackling it, we're doing it one room at a time. You can never do a renovation or a revamp for the whole house. I think if you are like us and work on a budget, just take it one room at a time. I was quite tempted to also work on our living room, but we decided actually let's just focus on one room so that we can just get everything we need for that room. If you do have any questions for us, do send me a DM on Instagram or ask the questions down below. Yeah, so I think this is where we'll end this vlog. It was mostly a reveal vlog, just showing you how things went, and I enjoyed it. This I love doing. If you'd like any assistance with your vision board or anything, please do send me a DM. DIY Princess will now be offering that segment or service where I'll be helping people with just coming up with a vision board. Maybe if you want to renovate your room or your sitting room or bathroom or anything, and would like just a starting like a startup idea of how things can go, we'll sit down and just decide. We'll get to understand what you want, and then we can come up with something. Do send me a message on Instagram. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, hit like, so that a lot of people can actually see our videos as well. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time. Bye.